Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change and customize the clock with a bigger one on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones, and I just update this phone to the new Xiaomi HyperOS 3.0. So with this new OS we have some new features, and if you tap and hold on the lock screen, from here you can customize it. Just draw your pattern, and if you tap here on customize and tap on the clock, now we have some new clocks, and you can choose a bigger one if you want. Also we have some Eastern aesthetics, and this is huge, and you can choose from these clocks. And after you do it, you can change also the font. From here you can change the font and also the color. Then tap on it. You can change also the wallpaper. Choose some cool wallpaper, because we have here some new ones. Okay, and after you do this, tap apply. And this is how it looks now, and also we have a bigger clock on the always on display. So it's good that we have these new features on Redmi phones. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.